Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special. I do believe it's an Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. All you gotta do is click on that link. Check out the other goodies they have to offer besides this one. And get your savings in now. They have deals going on throughout this month. And also, Prime Big Deal or Big Day deals, whatever it's called. And then Prime Day also coming up, Black Friday deals. So this is MERACH. And then it's a MRT19 treadmill. There's an app and you get free courses. So that's really cool right there. And here we go. Kind of heavy, so if you're going to set it up for your folks, you might want to give them a hand, or make sure they have somebody handy. So it is kind of, like I said, heavy. So, but we're going to open it up and test it out. Oh boy, she's a big one. Here we go. We got the top. That's where you plug it in, hit the switch. Got wheels. You can move it around, so that's a good thing. You can put this in your college dorm, your small business, your home, your mini gym. That's a good thing. And winter is coming, so out here in Michigan it gets cold and snowy. So it comes with a remote control. There's a little tag I gotta remove. And then here we go. Got some oil to oil it up. Allen wrenches. So there's a manual. Like I said, there's going to be an app to download. We'll be right back. We got the lube, no diddy, and then wrenches, power cord, manual, and the remote. So we're going to get this thing rocking, test it out. I'm not sure. This is my first time setting up one of these. So thank you guys at MERACH for sending me this. And hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. So we're going to explore the manual for a second. Yep, see the key thingy? The lube. Power cord. Up to 260, 255. That's a good size. Alright. And we got plug it in right there where I showed you. You got a display at the bottom. So probably show the same thing on the app. Okay, and there's the app, so you can wheel it out. iOS, Android. Use Smart. Bell. Never heard of that app. Kino Map. We'll try it out, I guess. Coming up. I wonder why. This is what I gotta do. Hit bind. Now it should connect automatically. Boom. We are good to go. And you can use a remote also. This little guy. Okay, confirm. Nope. Connect success. Okay. Let it refresh. Connected. And then there we go. Check for firm. So we are good to go on that one. And now you can download the other app. And you can get your test results from running and everything else. But this, I think that's about it for that to show. Ultra burning. But you can use a remote to go faster. Watch this. You can see it. There it goes. That's at 3.2. Dang. That's fast. Superman fast. Speedy Gonzalez fast. 3.8. That's as fast as it goes. Wow. I won't be there for a long time, but you know, if you give it some time, you never know how fast you can climb on these things. As long as you take it easy, take it slow, take it safe, you'll be good to go. Because like I said, winter's coming. This will be a nice little gift for around a couple $100, maybe less. So definitely check them out. They got sales going on right now, so click that link down below. I'm not going to go on it. I'm just going to show you how it is. It works great. Like I said, it has wheels. You can slide in underneath the bed, store in your closet. It's not too heavy, but for older folks, it might be heavy. So, you know, check it out. Alright? Take it easy.